Right, I've got this lock stuff. I've just been round the Escort, bit of ignition and other locks. I'm going to round and do the Fiesta now and the truck. Then I'm going to have a look. I go at this Escort, tidying up these wires in the back dash. I'm not bothering putting the glove box back in the now until I get an end cap for that order, one of them for GS Escorts. That one's split. I'll try and tidy up the inside of this. I've got some loom tape here, so I'm just going to try and sort out these wires best I can. Got the headlights to go out. And aye, do this Fiesta, give it a wee squirt, and I'll go into the garage and do the pickup. Move it in the back of this Fiesta tailgate. Oh no, the fucking tube gets stuck at the door. No! Just put a bit into this ignition bar on there. Now we spray, then go and do the truck. Right, do the truck now. Right, that'll do. I'll get this on the dollies later on and move it a bit. Just up the back of the dash here. Just tidying up the wires best I can, power steering wires, all that. Just familiarising myself with them. And I'm going to wash my hands and try and take them up and just get it a better quality. Best I can do with what I've got. Dash lights are hanging at it, but that's, I'll look at that later. Right, I decided to take this switch panel off just so I can get more access into the wires. This one's committed to, I want to do as good a job as possible. I know what I'm doing with the ones for the power steering and stuff, and about the kick point and all that. I've just cut off all the ties that was holding them on, and I'm going to say do a better job. I'll get this off the net. Right, I know where I'm at now. It looks worse than it actually is. I'm going to get a coffee, wash my hands, try and stick up these wires as best I can. I mean to do this for years. Managed to get a heater ducting pipe back on that's been off for God knows how long. Good dog. This is mushroom with treats. Just doing this bit. I think this is fucking stereo wire, so I'm going to get somebody to look at it. Let's see if I can get this removed. No, that's not stereo wire. No, I don't think that was the fucking stereo one. Hang on a minute. No, this is a stereo one here. This is one I've still got to do then, obviously. Tidy that up because that insulating tape that wasn't very good. I don't know. I'll leave it tonight, I know. Right, this is a stereo one here. No, not that one. This cone. I'm going to get somebody to help me trace these back to where they go. Do away with it because I'm 43 now, I'm not putting stereos in motors. Aye, that's enough in it. Aye. Let me got all this separating all that old tape off that. Right, I'll come back to this tomorrow. Not enough. A bit of old tape on there. I do it with that stuff. Aye, I've actually quite enjoyed this video. I was dreading it, but just do the best I can of what I've got. Well, that was a success, I'd say. So I'll go back at it, finish it off. I'll get somebody to look at the stereo wires, and I'll start putting the dash and all that back together. I'll get that bit of trim for the glove box ordered. I'll tidy it up a bit. Just doing all of these ones, just peeling off all this old dead insulation tape. Done. Do it with the right tape. I know in here. It's never going to be perfect, but it's just to get it a better sort of standard than what it was. Back at this. Had the stereo wires removed. Tested some lights. I'm just taking this out to try and see if I can get the light to go back in the clock. Right, I don't know where I'm at with this. The on and off it. Don't know where I'm at. The recordings at all. Just to got the interior back together. This switch panel. Got a couple of brackets to make up to have this in. I'm going to order a new ashtray surround. Yeah, as I said, I don't know where I'm at. I'm just going to edit this video and put it out. There's nothing else to put one out, so I'll just go through what I've got and that'll be it. And the next video will be when I get the new bits and the brackets and all that. See if I can, one of the centre consoles will work with the Type 9 that's further back. One of the fiberglass ones, I might look into that. I think they do, but I'm not sure. Right, back at this. I don't know where I'm at here and there with recording, but I have here, I'm going to refit this heater duct which fell off, which wasn't on with any shake-proof washers. Obviously I've got all that looked at. I was on the heater blower, I took the box back out. As I say, that was only on temporary. I've ordered a new ashtray surround, ordered a new centre console, and ordered the bit I need for the glove box for the end. So I've got a few days for all that's here, so I'm going to put this back on. And then I'll edit this again and put it out, because I don't know where I'm at with it. Bit here, bit there. And I'll make another video when the new bitties come. But I spent a good bit of time with these wires and stuff, and I'm happy with it. I've still got a steering kill to go on. There's a wire to be repaired over there. Kick plate the other side, but it's just wee bits. I say the new centre console. I ordered a new one of them because that buggered. This ashtray surround the new centre console, tidy all that right up. Aye, right, crack on. I'm going to put this here duct on with these shake-proof washers. And the normal washer. Right. I've had them go around the whole garden, this basically. I've had that wee while now, look at. Doggy. Now shut the door. Please. We're not going in. Look. I need to shut that door so I can go around the other side. I put stuff on the floor, you can't go there, you see? No, at all. Hey, wee dog. You see? You try. Get your head over there. Come on, it's bit. Come on. Be good. Dad, what have you got? I don't know, because she's got it in. Hey? No. You can't put your head there. You give me fright. I think you have stuff.